Bring your sunglasses and your chef's hat.
Welcome to 269 West 72nd Street, apartment 11B.
Where the south sunlight you wish you had is abundant in 11B. You can daydream out your window watching the clouds float by with city views to 72nd Street and West End Avenue 2.
For those chefs out there, what a treat this awesome, renovated, windowed eat-in kitchen is. It has great quartz countertops, lovely stainless appliances, as well as a wine fridge. And then you have this great French door fridge.
This mint move-in sunshine-filled home has beautiful wood floors and a renovated windowed bathroom with open city views too. 11B has a large bedroom that's 15 feet long and also has open south city views. There's an abundance of storage and flexibility in the B line. In fact, many owners in this line have even created bathroom access multiple ways because those closets can be transformed into an entry hall too for guests. The choice is yours. It's been done before. This mint sunshine home is move-in ready. 11B is near the best food, Trader Joe's, Citarella, and Fairway, with incredible transportation too. There are multiple parks right nearby, Central and Riverside Park and Pier 1 restaurant at the Hudson River.
There's a dog park and all the culture is right outside your door with Lincoln Center, the Beacon Theater, museums, and movie houses.
Andrew, this living room is so wide. Look how long this table is.
Would you pass me down the salt?
I don't have any salt.
But if you'd like a tour of 11B at 269 West 72nd Street,
give us a call or send us an email.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.